Love pickles? Well, when I saw this trend on TikTok, I had to try it. Did it work? Well, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Come join me in the kitchen. Trying this recipe for the first time, and y'all ain't gonna lie, I am a little nervous, but I'm doing it for y'all because, look, I work as a dietitian. I have clients who come in and they're like, Shelly, did you see this recipe on TikTok? I'm like, no, baby, I'm on YouTube. So I showed them my channel. And by the way, I want you to subscribe if you haven't for some low carb recipes. But they like TikTok. Oh my gosh. If you love pickles, if you love cheese, they got these pickle chips. And I'm like, oh, I'm intrigued. I love pickles. I love cheese. Let's go. So the recipe calls for the oven to be preheated to 400, so I'm okay with that. But when I was looking at the recipe, because TikTok is so fast, a little too fast for my brain, I'm like, y'all don't spray the muffin tin? So we coat in the muffin tin because, baby, I don't feel like throwing a pan away because cheese got melted all over it and I cannot get it off. And if you got a tip for me for that, please let me know. So yeah, I'm going a little overboard spraying because I'm a little nervous because I haven't tried this recipe. TikTok is making me do this, y'all. But we're going to take our pickles and we're going to blot them. We're going to blot them dry. And I just have the hamburger deals from the Walmart. You can get these at Kroger as well. And most of the recipes, it just said cheese. Now, I researched, I saw some up to 2 cups, some as little as 1. I'm gonna go right in the middle, 1.5 cups. And I'm gonna put some cheese at the bottom, and already I'm starting to sweat because I'm like, Lord, please don't let this go to the side of it and be so hard I have to get it out. I layered my pickles on top, and I put some more cheese on top. In retrospect, this to me is a lot. I probably would use a little bit less, but I wanna respect the recipe. I'm spraying it with some nonstick cooking spray because, again, I'm scared. I'm very scared. I don't want to throw a pan away. Yeah, but this is it. Supposedly this makes a really awesome chip. Spray on top with nonstick. We're going to throw it in that oven for 20 to 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes seems a little long to me at 400 degrees. I probably should have cooked it at 15 minutes, but hey, we follow the TikTok. And it's beautiful, y'all. Look at this. It's bubbling and the panic button is still hitting. So let's go for it. Let's grab our knife. Probably should have grabbed a spatula, but I didn't because I want to get these babies out. And it came out. Holy crud. TikTok worked. This is a great recipe, y'all. Look how beautiful this is. This makes great appy cups. What would I do? Little less cheese, little bit less time to cook. Overall, this gets an A in my book. If you were too busy laughing and gasping your pearls because you didn't want me to destroy your pan, go into that description box, get the recipe, download your 7-day menu, and of course, subscribe. Much love, gang.